In this application, we're going to show installing the hangers on a flush beam application deck. We've already got our flush beam cut, so at this point now we do recommend that you use the appropriate aerosol and go ahead and spray the end so that cut is covered. So I'll take the aerosol, just give it a quick spray. Now at this point, we're going to want to go ahead and mark our flush beam out at 16" on center. You would use whatever application you're doing. If you are at 12, follow your 12. If it's 16, follow 16. Go ahead, mark your lines, give yourself a good square point. Now we'll go ahead again and use our 7" galvanized L brackets. In the application of the flush beam, you want to make sure that your beam is situated so that with the components, your track is on top. That'll give you a flush point on top where your joist attaches to. You want to install them in the middle of the beam, top to bottom. Give yourself equal distance, top and bottom, so it's right in the center. We're going to use our C vice clamp again. Go ahead and install that. Get that secure and in place. Take your impact driver and again your 5/16" head self-tapping screws. Follow the designated holes that are on the L bracket. And that's your attachment on your flush beam to your brackets. On another application, when we're doing a drop beam, we're going to go ahead and temp the two outside rim joists, have those up and leveled. Then we're going to be able to take the drop beam, put it into place. You're going to have the 5/16" self-tapping screws going through the flange of the joist down into the beam. You'll then go over to the other side, do the same application going through the flange of the joist into the beam. This will give you a temporary attachment so that beam is hung. At that point, you can then start your markings, get your measurement from your caisson to your beam, and install your posts. When installing your posts, we do like the application of actually bringing your post to the bottom of the beam, making a notch at that point and running the post up the back side of the beam. This just gives a very sturdy point for the beam and makes it to where the beam cannot roll at any time. Sturdy application, and it looks very, very nice.